Hello guys, and welcome to the AUDUSD trader. Now in this video I will be talking to you about when to trade and when to buy or when to sell the AUDUSD pair. I'll be giving you guys a little something I use to trade, all for free of course. So again, but if you want in-depth explanation on other strategies I use, you can check out my other videos. But for now, I want us to firstly discuss what trading sessions are. Now you could easily go to Investopedia, or you could search it on Google, and you could see the definition of what a trading session is, right? So the primary trading hour for a given asset. Now, keep in mind, this is the AUDUSD trader channel. So basically, I trade just AUDUSD. So with that said, you could easily read all about this. I'm going to be jumping on the chart and I will be explaining to you guys what I usually will look for. Now, as you can clearly see here, this is the chart. So let's take for example, I'm looking to buy or sell whenever. Now, usually, since I've already defined what a trading session is, the next thing you need to understand is how to spot a trading session. If you don't know how to spot it on your chart, there's an indicator here. It's called session on chart. So what you want to do is just add it to your chart and you should have this automatically drawn. So you could just set it to New York and Tokyo. Now this is because we're trading AUD and USD, which happens to fall on those particular trading sessions. So with that said, let's get straight into it. So whenever I'm looking to buy, I usually will jump on a buy during the ASIN session. I will usually not jump on a sell during the ASIN session unless of course the sell starts from the New York session. So you can easily see here, this is a buy and you can see when it started. It's very easy to spot these things, and you want to keep your trade in between those sessions. You don't want to trade outside the session. So I won't be trading from this time frame to this time frame, or from this particular point to this point, right? Now this is not my full strategy. This is just a short explanation of what I usually will look for on a chart. So whenever it's the Tokyo session, I will hardly be looking for a sell opportunity, especially if the day is Monday or is of course Tuesday. Now there are some rare exceptions where the market might sell on a Monday and a Tuesday, but it hardly happens. And let's say we have a trend, a buy trend. Usually what you would notice is, if you're a trader and you trade AUDUSD, what you will notice is even if there is a buy on AUDUSD, it usually will kick off during the Tokyo session, during the trading session or open of that particular session, and if there is a sell also. Now this is just for when to buy or when to sell. This is not the complete strategy. This is not how to understand trading sessions, and of course how to apply it to your trading. So basically this is just a video about trading sessions and why it's important that you stick to trading at those particular session and not outside those market session. Okay, so with that said, we're trying to keep this video as short as possible, but you could read up about what trading sessions are, what the Tokyo session will open, right, and everything about that. You should find it online, but to save you time, you can have this on your charts, right? And if you use an MT4 or an MT5 and you probably want an indicator that will help you do that without you stressing, leave a comment and I will be sending you guys a free indicator that you could drop on your chart to give you this outlook on your MT4 or MT5. If you're using TradingView, you could easily just search for session on charts. So with that said, this is a very short video. If you enjoyed this video, you can check out my other videos. Do well to check out the other videos where I talk about trading AUDUSD using USD card to know when to sell. So for example, this sell will be explained on how you'll be able to spot this particular sell on Wednesday on AUDUSD. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next video. In future videos, I'll be talking about leverage, I'll be talking about margins, and of course I'll be talking about how you can use leverage to not have to worry about your lot size. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, leave a comment and I'll make the video as soon as possible, and give me a like. So see you all in the next video.